So we're going to start out with the straw, the vocal tube, or the lip trill. So grab your straw right now or your vocal tube, and these are your semi-occluded vocal tract exercises which really allow your voice to vocalize with ease, which is why we're starting out with this one. So let's do this. I'll do the first one with you and then you can continue with your chosen exercise. You can continue on. And whatever exercise you're doing, be mindful of your airflow. Keeping it nice and relaxed as we ascend. Still being mindful of your airflow and not pushing too much air through as you ascend. And we're coming back down. This is all about just allowing your voice to gradually flex and stretch as you warm it up, ready for the next exercises that we have coming up. Just a few more to go. Good, and then this one is going to be the last one. Well done. So we're really taking our time with this next one, and we're going to combine the lip trill. If you can't do the lip trill, you're more than welcome to do the straw or the vocal tube, but we're going to combine this one with the gug, gug, gug. So the G-U-G, gug, gug, gug. And we're going to take our time. We're going to do one lip trill, then one gug, and we're just going to go back and forth as we ascend, and then we're going to descend much faster. All right, let's do it. I'll do the first one. Join in when you're ready. Gug, 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 gug. You can continue. Remember, this one is all about really keeping that voice relaxed before you do the gug, gug, gug. Again, just a reminder to just be mindful of your airflow. We don't need as much air as we think we need. And we're still coming up with this one. Stay focused. Stay in it. And we're coming back down faster than we went up. And on the way back down, you can just do the gug. The lip trill is no longer needed. Coming all the way back down with a gug, gug, gug. almost done. And this is the last one. Well done with that one. The next exercise is the gug by itself, and we're going to do this on a 5-tone scale, mainly staying within chest voice territory because we're really trying to build that stronger chest voice. We're trying to build that foundation into your voice a little bit more, and that is also why we're using the G consonant. It's a nice strong consonant that gets the vocal cords closing well. All right, listen to the first one and then join in when you're ready. Gug, 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 gug. You can continue. Keep it nice and strong. Make sure that it's not breathy, but it's nice and clean and clear in the tone. We're building strength here. Keep it strong in chest voice. Place your hand on your chest and really feel those vibrations. And we're bringing it back down. You should be feeling those vibrations in your chest. Good, and we're almost done. And this is the last one for this one. All right, so next we have the edgy ah, 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 ah. So you can begin just by saying it, ah. Make sure you're adding a little bit of vocal fry in there for support. Ah, 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 ah. That's the exercise. Ah, ah, ah. Nice and clean and clear. Ah, ah, ah. We don't want ah, ah, ah. Not that. This ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Ah. It's like a little bit of a cry. All right, so listen to the first one and then you can join in. But remember, this is a really, really great one for working on the inside edges of the vocal cords and really just building that strength in your voice. And again, we're staying down on the lower side because we're really trying to build a nice, strong chest voice. We're really trying to build that foundation into your voice. So you don't have to worry about us going too high with this one and only go where it's comfortable. All right, let's do this. Ah, 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 ah. Imagine that you're holding your breath with this one. You definitely don't want to let too much air through. As little air as possible. And we're coming back down again. Going. Don't lose it. Very little air you need for this. And we're almost done. This is the last one. Good, well done, well done. All right, we have one more exercise to go. One more exercise, and we're coming back to the long scale, and we're going to do the gug, gug, gug on the long scale so that we're really going from chest voice to head voice. And with this one, I want you to be mindful, making sure that you give me that nice strong gug at the bottom in chest voice so that it supports the top. Okay, listen to the first one and then join in whenever you're ready. Gug, 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 gug. You can continue. Make it nice and strong at the bottom, okay? That's going to support the top. You can imagine an even playing field for this. Don't push it at the top. Let your voice go where it wants to go. And again, be mindful of airflow. It's so important. You don't need as much air as you think, especially as we approach the top. And we're coming back down. Stay focused and stay in it because this is the last one. Come on, I'm in it with you. Just a few more to go. Good. And this is the last one. Keep it strong now. Good, you have done so well with these exercises. So do this vocal workout daily. This is for the male voice that's really wanting to build that strength and power into the voice. Maybe you have a little bit more of that breathier tone in your voice and you want to build a little bit more strength, depth and power. Then this vocal workout is something that you can do daily. Do it daily for a month and you will see the results. Put in the work, get the results. All right, that's it from me. I will see you soon. Peace.